Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor. Good morning, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Today we're going to start off with AMC. There's a lot of media coverage, there's a lot of discussion that wants to steer us away from AMC. And I am not giving you advice on what to do, but I'm just going to tell you what I am seeing, what some of the actions are telling us. So right now, there's a lot of coverage that is focusing on CLOV. CLOV is a very small company, very small cap company, and CLOV is driving up. I am not taking away from what CLOV is doing. Amazing run. But it appears there is some push to steer us away from AMC and focus on CLOV. And so I know some people are dumping their AMC stocks and jumping onto CLOV, CLOV. That's why I call it CLOV, but it's Clover Health Investment is the company. Again, the idea, I believe, is for markets to dump their AMC shares so that the squeeze doesn't happen and drives the AMC price down, comes back to CLOV, Clover Health, and drives the price up. And some of the hedge funds have interest in Clover going up. So that's why I think the media is playing tricks on us. Don't fall for it if your goal is to participate in the AMC squeeze. Don't dump your shares to jump into Clover. Add additional funds and play Clover. I played Clover, but I am not taking away from AMC to play Clover. So that's one thing I want you to focus on. And so coming back to AMC then, AMC is having another down start, but not really a big deal because we keep pushing price in a small manner, pushing higher slightly, and today it appears we want to start a little bit low. Again, my wish is for price to really plummet first to the 20s and 30s area, somewhere between 20 and 30. I will really love for that to happen so I can load up on options. But right now, don't lose sight. Don't lose sight of your why for AMC. Because if you dump your stocks and go into Clover and Clover ends up not running like the AMC squeeze and you miss out on the AMC squeeze, don't be upset, right? That's a decision you've made. Be happy with that decision. But if your AMC why for yourself is big and the why you're in it is because you're expecting AMC to squeeze like the rest of us, then don't lose sight of that why. I think it's very critical to not lose sight of that why. So that's why AMC right now you're not seeing a lot of the big action. GameStop, same thing. You're not seeing a lot of big options, but GameStop is really starting to recover the old highs, right? Not as high as 500 yet, but it's starting to go up there, and this is hurting anyone who's short. Is really hurt in these positions. So they want to drive the price away from us. But some of the other short squeeze names like Bed Bath & Beyond has really not been doing well lately, but again, it has still room to the upside. If we look at Blackberry, same thing, it drove up and then now it's consolidating in for me, it looks like it's in an accumulation phase, which means it's gonna burst out. But I'm hoping it's a distribution phase so that we can drive price lower and load up on more options. Nokia is actually the highs that it has reached is staying around there. Nokia has not been driving price down, but again, Nokia has not moved price up significantly either, right? So it stayed within a 50 cents, 70 cents range, And so, Nokia has not really done the move yet. Is Nokia going to move? Yet to be seen. But for me, the biggest kahuna is AMC. I'm not getting rid of my shares. I'm actually hoping that we drive price down. We drive price down so I can participate in more options and even consider adding more stocks, but definitely more options. So this is how I am seeing AMC. This is how I'm seeing latest news on CLOV, on Clover. Do not lose sight of AMC as you participate in Clover Health. Don't forget that. And I just wanted to mention that for this morning. AMC has not squeezed yet. They want you to believe it has squeezed. It has not squeezed yet. Let's be patient and wait and take care of our business when it gives us the opportunity. That's the big focus is. Do you know your why? Is your why, I've said this multiple times, is your why to wait for the squeeze so you can change your lifestyle? Or is your why to just get a small movement so you can pay a single bill? It's not up to me to decide what each person's why is. I just give you information as I see it. Fundamentally, this does not make sense. Technically, this does not make sense. So both of those are thrown out in a short squeeze play like AMC and GameStop. But if you have a why, and if you have a strong conviction that the squeeze is going to happen, then I highly recommend that you be patient and let the squeeze play out. I think that's the most critical part. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to analyze the broader market.